Preparing a vacant property for the winter market takes careful planning, but it can make a big difference in how appealing your property is to potential buyers or renters. Winter is a unique time in the real estate market, with fewer people moving, shorter days, and harsher weather. But it's also a chance to stand out by making your property warm, inviting, and well-maintained. Today, we'll cover everything you need to know about getting a vacant property ready for the winter market, so that it shows well, stays protected, and attracts the right attention. First, let's talk about curb appeal. Just because it's winter doesn't mean curb appeal stops being important. A property's exterior is the first impression potential buyers or renters get, so keep it clean and accessible. Clear leaves, trim any overgrown shrubs, and make sure the lawn is as tidy as possible before snowfall. If it does snow, arrange for snow removal so walkways and driveways are clear and safe for visitors. Adding a few simple touches like a seasonal wreath on the door or an outdoor mat can also create a welcoming feel. A well-kept exterior signals to people that the property is well cared for, which goes a long way in attracting interest. Next, focus on lighting. Winter days are shorter, and good lighting is essential to show off a property's best features. Make sure exterior lights are functional and bright enough to light up entryways and pathways. Inside, use warm, inviting light bulbs, especially in main areas like the living room and kitchen, to create a cozy feel. If the property will be vacant for a while, consider using timer lights. This not only makes the property look more appealing during showings, but also adds a layer of security, as it gives the impression someone is there. Proper lighting highlights the property's strengths and makes it feel more inviting, which can make a big impact on how people feel when they walk in. Another essential step is winterizing the property's plumbing. Frozen pipes are a common problem in vacant properties during winter, but they're easy to prevent with some preparation. Start by shutting off the water supply to prevent any chance of pipes freezing and bursting. Drain the pipes and consider adding antifreeze to toilets, sinks, and any exposed pipes. If you plan to leave the heat on, set it to a minimum of 55 degrees, which should be enough to keep the pipes warm without running up a high heating bill. Winterizing plumbing is a small step that can prevent costly repairs and keep the property in good condition. Heating is also crucial for winter readiness. Even if the property is empty, a little warmth goes a long way in making the space feel comfortable during showings. As I mentioned, keeping the thermostat set to at least 55 degrees will protect pipes and help maintain the property's structural integrity. A warm interior is more inviting to visitors, and it helps prevent issues with moisture and humidity. If the heating system hasn't been serviced in a while, consider scheduling a quick checkup to ensure it's running efficiently. A well-maintained heating system is a selling point and reassures buyers or renters that the property is in good working order. Another key element is security. Vacant properties can be targets for vandalism or break-ins, so it's important to take some basic security measures. Lock all windows and doors and consider installing motion sensor lights around the exterior. For an extra layer of protection, using a security system or cameras can help deter intruders and give you peace of mind. Inform a trusted neighbor or local contact about the property so they can keep an eye on it, especially if it's not in your immediate area. Securing a vacant property protects your investment and ensures it's ready for market without any unexpected issues. Interior maintenance is equally important. When a property sits vacant, dust can build up quickly, and small issues may go unnoticed. Schedule a thorough cleaning before listing it on the market, and plan for periodic cleaning visits to keep it fresh. Check for any minor repairs needed, such as tightening door handles or fixing small cracks in walls. Fresh paint, clean carpets, and dust-free surfaces make the property look well-maintained and cared for, which positively impacts how potential buyers or renters see it. Finally, think about staging. Staging helps people visualize the space and see themselves living there, which is especially valuable during the colder months when properties can feel empty. Simple furniture, a few decorative touches, and even a couple of cozy accents like blankets or pillows make the property feel warmer and more inviting. If full staging isn't possible, consider adding a few key pieces in main rooms, or use virtual staging if that's an option. Staging enhances the property's appeal and makes it stand out in the winter market. At Alpine Property Management, Kansas City, we handle all aspects of winter property preparation, from security and maintenance to show-ready staging. With our help, property owners can keep their investment in top shape and ensure it's market-ready, even in the colder months. Now, switching gears for a moment, if you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, needs repairs, or is ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer, and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us and let's talk. In summary, preparing a vacant property for the winter market is about more than just keeping it clean. By focusing on curb appeal, lighting, plumbing, heating, security, interior maintenance, and staging, you'll maximize the property's appeal and attract more interest. If you're looking for professional assistance to make winter property management easy, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.